Dear car lovers, we are also shooting genuine owner car review videos in our channel, and if you wish us to shoot your video, please drop us an email at carsindianreview@gmail.com. You may also comment down below with your phone number or email ID and we shall get back to you. Please note that this is only specific to Hyderabad currently. Thanks for your love and support as always. And yes, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. This is your Sai. Welcome back to Cars Indian Review channel. In today's video, we are going to have a look at TATA NEXON XZ Plus petrol manual variant, and this is the side profile of the same. TATA NEXON comes with a 1.2-litre turbocharged Revoltron 3-cylinder engine. The engine displacement of this vehicle is 1199cc, while this vehicle gives you a maximum power of 120 PS at 5500 rpm. While the maximum torque of this vehicle is 170 Nm at 1750 to 4000 rpm. Talking about the transmission, it comes with 6-speed manual transmission, and the steering type of this vehicle is electric steering with tilt adjustment. Moving on to the dimensions, this vehicle comes with a length of 3993 mm and width of 1811 mm and height of 1606 mm. And the fuel type of this vehicle is petrol. The wheelbase of this vehicle is 2498 mm and the seating capacity is 5. The minimum ground clearance of this vehicle is 209 mm. While it gives you a good boot space of 350 liters, and this vehicle comes with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 44 liters and comes with 215/60 R16 diamond cut alloy wheels. The mileage of this vehicle is 17.4 km per liter. Let's see the various types of colors that we are getting with this vehicle. We have TECTONIC blue, FOLIAGE green, CALGARY white, flame red, pure silver, and DAYTONA grey. Let's see what are we getting in terms of features. In terms of exteriors, this is what you get. There are tri-arrow headlamps with projector, tri-arrow signature LED tail lamps, piano black front grille, LED high mount stop lamp, integrated rear spoiler, body colored bumper, contrast piano black ORVMs with turn indicators, daytime running lights, door side body cladding for scratch protection, floating roof, black ANC pillar, ivory white waistline and rear X factor, body colored outside door handles, 16 inches diamond cut alloy wheels, roof rails, wheel arch cladding, shark fin antenna with GPS. Let's look at the interiors now. In terms of interiors, you get tri-arrow theme interiors, umbrella holder in front doors, 1-liter bottle holder in all doors, 4 carry bag hooks in boot, collapsible grab handles with port hook, cup or can holder on central console, digital instrument cluster, flat bottom steering wheel, handbag hooks inside cabin, co-drive, footbell and P-pillar, multi-utility glove box with 2 cup holders, wallet holder, card holder, premium full fabric seat upholstery, rear 60/40 split seat fold, chrome finish on air vents, cooled and illuminated glove box, door trim fabric insert, grand central console with front armrest and sliding tambour door, interior lamps, theatre trimming, tri-arrow IMD pattern with premium white finish on the dashboard, rear seat, central armrest with 2 cup holders. Let's peep into the instrument cluster. You get full digital instrument cluster, distance to empty indicator, digital clock, driver information system with gear shift display, instant and average fuel efficiency, tachometer, dual trip meter, door open reminder, driver seat belt reminder, key battery low warning, low brake fluid warning, low fuel warning, park brake release alert, voice alerts and service reminder. And I know you should be waiting for the car infotainment. You get 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, Connect Next 7 inches floating desktop touchscreen system by Harman, Bluetooth connectivity, AM and FM, USB, aux-in, iPod connectivity, call logs, incoming, outgoing and missed call alerts, conference call, phone book access, speed dependent volume control, audio streaming, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, call reject with SMS feature, incoming SMS notifications and readouts, image and video playback, steering mounted audio, phone and voice control, smartphone integration with Connect Next app suite, natural voice command recognition, Tata Smart Remote app. Let's see the comfort parts that this car is offering. This car is offering multi-driver modes, Eco, City and Sport modes, fully automatic climate control, electric steering with tilt adjustment, driver footrest, adjustable front and rear seat headrest, front and rear power windows, vanity mirror on the co-driver side, remote central locking, electrical adjustable and foldable ORVM, power window operation after ignition off, boot lamp, rear AC vents, height adjustable front seat belts, fast USB charger, electric tailgate opening, one shot down on driver side window, rear 12-volt power outlet, height adjustable driver seat, smart key with push start button. And the most important part is safety and security. In terms of safety and security, you get ABS with EBD, driver and co-driver airbag, electronic stability program, electronic traction control, emergency brake assist, engine immobilizer, hill hold control, ISOFIX anchorage points for child seats, rear bumpers corner reflectors, reverse parking assist with ultrasonic sensors, reverse parking assist with camera, dynamic guideways, rollover mitigation, electronic brake, pre-fill, brake disc wiping, day and night inside rear view mirror, follow me home lamps, front fog lamps with cornering assistance, rear defogger, driver seat belt with pretensioners, load limiters, and crash locking type. And the most super important thing is the global crash test rating. This vehicle scored 5 out of 5 stars in global NCAP crash test rating, making it the safest car to drive in India. And I know you can't wait anymore to hear the ex-showroom price of this vehicle. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 9,64,500 rupees approximately. And the on-road price of Tata Nexon XZ Plus variant is 11,29,830 rupees approximately in Hyderabad. And here comes the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment the video. This is your Sai signing off for the day, and I'll catch you in the next video.